Hi guys, and welcome to After Effects CC 2019. You are also very welcome if you're using After Effects CC 2018. Before we start working and creating animation, I would like you to set certain preferences that are very important, and also I'll bring them to your attention. So please start After Effects, and when you come to the welcome screen, for now I would like you just to close it from over here. We don't need it for now. Actually, I don't use it. So let's close it. If you are on Windows, I would like you to come to Edit and go to Preferences, and in Preferences, go to General. If you are on the Mac, you will find After Effects CC. Please click on it and go to Preferences and go to General. You will have the Preference panel open for you, and make sure you are on General. There are two main options that you are interested in. First is the default spatial interpolation to linear. Make sure that this option is checked. Then, if you are on CC 2018 or CC 2019, then please check Center Anchor Point in New Shape Layers. Just make sure it's checked. And that's all you need. We click OK. In the next lecture, we start animating and creating something beautiful. See you then.